Hello children, how are you all of you? Fine. Now this is one more interesting sum in your depreciation, and this is your sum number 4, page number 66. Okay, try to understand it. He is saying that Kaushik Corporation has purchased machine rupees 1,24,000. Okay, the original cost of machine is 1,24,000 on 1/4/2012. Okay, this is the purchasing date 1/4/2012. Machine has purchased in rupees 1,24,000. The carriage and installation expense of this machine was 16,000. The repairing expense of machine was 20,000 was incurred before putting this machine on production. Means this much initial expenses were done on machinery, okay, which was purchased in 1,24,000. So all these expenses we will add in the original cost. First thing. Second, on 1/10/2013, okay, means in the month of, you can say, October, 1st of October, second machine was purchased rupees 1,36,000, and one more machinery was purchased. Its installation expense was 8,000, which you have to add in this. Now keep one thing in your mind: this machine you have purchased mid of the financial year. If you count from October to March, October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months has remained to complete the financial year. So we will charge here depreciation half, means 50%. Is it clear? Whatever amount is there, okay, it's half amount we will charge as a depreciation. Is it clear? First machine was sold on 30/9/2014, and at the same time the first machine which was purchased on 1,24,000, it has sold on 30th/9, means end day of the September. Again, if you will count from 1st April to September, April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months is there. The first 6 months you will deduct the depreciation amount, then you have to do the further transaction. Is it clear? So see here, the first machine was sold on 30/9/2014 at 40% loss of book value. Instruction is giving that prepare the machinery account up to 31st/3/2015 and show its accounting effect in the annual account of 2012-13. Company depreciation of machinery as 10% every year under the straight line method. So first thing is that, children, we have to make the working note, which I have already made here. Transaction is starting from 1/4/2012. Before that, this machinery first, its original cost is 1,24,000, in which we have added 16,000 its carriage and installation charge, and 20,000 we added its repairing. So total its amount become 1,60,000. Okay, we use this machine entire year 2012 to 2013, April to March. So entire year depreciation we will find. Okay, so 1,60,000, 10% is 16,000. Okay, this amount when we will deduct from it, we will get 1,44,000 in the beginning of the month 1/4/2013. At the same time, in this year, in this financial year, we purchase one more machinery in the month of October, 1, 10, 13, and again its cost is also 1,44,000. How it has come? So you see here, it has occurred by, we have purchased this machinery on 1,36,000. See, and 8,000 is its installation charge. If you will add it, 8 plus 6, 14, carry on 1 and 1, 4, 1,44,000. Is it clear? Now if you find the 10% depreciation of this, it becomes 14,400. Is it clear or not? Entire year. But we are using this machinery only for 6 months because it is purchased in the month of October and financial year is ending on 31st. So October to March, 6 months is there. 6 months is there. So we will find its 50% depreciation. So what is the 14,400 half? That is 7,200, and that's why this amount we have deducted here. Is it clear? So in the financial year 13-14, your total depreciation is 16,000 and 7,200. If you will add this 0 to 13, 23,200 is the depreciation in second year. Is it clear? First year is your depreciation only 16,000. First year depreciation is your 16,000 and second year it is 23,200. Now talk about next 2014-15. Okay. Condition is given that the first machinery it has sold on 31st/3/2015. Means, it has sold in 39/2014. Is it clear? Means half of the month. So what is the depreciation of the 6 month? 16,000, 50% means half is 8,000, because we are counting this depreciation by the straight line method. So each and every successive year, same amount we will subtract. Is it clear? So in that condition, here we will subtract your 8,000. When you will deduct this one from this is your 1,20,000. Is it clear? Now this machine has sold by 14% loss. So if you will find 40% loss. If you will find that 1,12,000 40%, how much it is? So it is 16,800. Means what is the selling price of machinery? 1,03,200. This much amount this machine has sold. Is it clear? So here this entire transaction is over. Now in this part, again when you deduct this one, you got 1,36,800. Now here this machine is used fully, completely. Is it clear? So here entire year depreciation. So half year is 7,200. The full year is 14,400. So this much is your entire year depreciation. Now you will deduct it. You will get 1,22,400. It means when you solve or you will make the machinery account, your final amount should come this much. If this much is coming, okay, means the last amount is the balance brought down by balance carry forward and to balance brought down. If it is coming this much, then you understand your sum is correct. Otherwise there is something locha. Is it clear? One thing. Now depreciation in this year, 14,400 plus 8,000, 004 to 22,400. This is the depreciation. Okay. So like this way we have done the entire sum. Is it clear? This is your working note. If you will make it properly, then you can solve the sum. Now here first I am making the machinery account. Now see how to make the machinery account. Now see children, as per working note I can write the machinery account. Now you know very well, whenever we purchase any asset, we debit in the machine account. So here it is your date 1/4/12 and here I will write to cash bank account, and all these amount I am not going to write straightforward. We will write this final amount, that is 1,60,000. Is it clear? Okay. Now in this year, what transaction has taken place? Only depreciation is this much. So in credit side, on 31st 3/13, okay, here I will write by depreciation account, and amount I will write here 16,000. Okay, now this one I am closing here. This year is ended in 31st/3/2013. This year is ended and new year has started. So I am closing this one here. This amount I am taking here. You know how to close it. Same amount you have to transfer in this side, 1,60,000. If you will deduct this much, 16,000 by 1,16,000 means this one, then you will get 1,44,000. Okay, so here you are getting 1,44,000, and that is your what? By balance carry forward. Is it clear? This is by balance carry forward. Now this amount you have to transfer next year. It means 1,413, and here you will write to balance brought down. How much you are brought down? Whatever you closed here. So it is your 1,44,000. Now at the same time, in same year, mid of the month, mid of the year, you have purchased one more machinery. In which month? 1/10/13. So that also you give place here, and here you will write to cash bank account. Don't make it complicated. Okay, in your digest and another places, or separate transaction is given. Okay, nothing is use of that, so you give it directly effect cash and bank account, and this amount 1,44,000 you write here, 1,44,000. And again here no another transaction is there, so first thing you add this to 0 0 0. Oh, yeah, 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 4 8, and 2,88,000. Okay, the same amount you write in this side, 2,88,000. Okay, now again in this year 31st 3. Now this financial year is ending on 14. Okay, so you write here by depreciation account. Now how much depreciation has occurred here? 23,200. So 23,200. Oh sorry, sorry, 23,200. Now this much you deduct by this. So here by balance carry forward. Okay. So how much now it will be? If you will deduct this 23,200 from 2,88,000, then you will get 2,64,800. This much you will be get 2,64,800. Now this much you have to carry here. Is it clear? See now, this is your now 1,4,14, and again to balance brought down, and this is your 2,64,800. Is it clear? Now first thing, you have to write here different transaction, because you occurred loss, you received money. Okay, when you purchase the asset, you write cash here. When you are selling the asset, you write cash here. Then only you will able to know how much your final balance, otherwise not. Is it clear? So this is your total balance. Okay, now one by one we are doing. First of all, let's do the depreciation, that is 31st 3/15. See children, doesn't matter this machine has sold mid of the month, but depreciation we will find at the end of the year. Means that amount we will write at the end of the year. We will not write in separate time. Is it clear? For our convenience. So 31st 3/15, where here we will write by depreciation account, and that is your 22,400. Okay, if you will add this 2, you will get 22,400. Okay, one thing, one transaction is completed here. Now you sold machinery, you received money. Okay, आपको पैसा आया है भाई, and how much it is? Just see it. Children, I have done one mistake in working note actually here. It was not 14,000, not 14%, it was 40%, 4040. Okay, so now it was my mistake that I have counted it 14%. It is not 14, it is 40, 4040. Okay, so 1,20,000, 40% is 48%. This much loss has occurred. It means if you subtract 40% loss from 1,20,000, you will get 72,000. Means selling price of machine is 72,000, and this much is loss. If you will subtract this amount from here, you will get this much, 48,000. So here now 2 more entries will come. First, this machinery was sold. So here you write by cash bank account. Okay. One thing you can do, don't write depreciation here, because date wise if you will go, then first this amount will come by cash bank account, and here your date is 39/14. Okay, by cash bank account. By cash bank account, and that is your, how much you received? 72,000. Okay, second entry, that is your by profit and loss account. How much you occurred loss? That is 48,000. Now see, if you will add this both, okay, then again you will get this amount 1,20,000. And at the same time your depreciation, that is your 31st 315. Okay, so date wise we are writing here by depreciation account. That is correct. There is no mistake in this. This is your 22,400. Okay. Now close it. Now close it. So here 2,64,800. Okay. And here also 2,64,800. Now add all this. Okay. 7,2,000, 4,8,000, 22,400. Now add it. 0, 0, 4, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, carry on 1, 7 plus 2, 9 and 1, 10 plus 14. Okay, now this one, this much you subtract through 2,648,000, 1,424,000, 0, 0, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1,224,000, and see here 1,224,000. So that is the benefit of working note. आप बोलोगे सर यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गई थी, उससे अपने को अकाउंट में कंसर्न नहीं था, हमको तो फाइनल ये देखना था बैलेंस कितना है, तो वो यहाँ पर जो है आ गया. इसमें बाय मिस्टेक 14% मैंने निकाल लिया था इंस्टेड ऑफ 40, तो दैट वन आल्सो यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. इज इट क्लियर? तो सम रॉन्ग नहीं था, पैटर्न वाज करेक्ट. इज इट क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर ये जो आपको आया, द सेम शुड कम हियर, एंड दिस इज योर बाय बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड, and that is your 1,224,000. और अगले ईयर का ये होगा टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, एंड लाइक दिस वे यू हैव टू मेक द मशीनरी अकाउंट. इज इट क्लियर? क्या आप लोगों को नीचे तक ये दिखाई दे रहा है? ओके, क्लियर, एकदम कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. ओके, so all kinds of working note you are able to see. So you understood, children, how to do this type of एंट्रीज. मैंने आपको जनरल एंट्रीज कैसे पास करना वो सिखा दिया, इंडिपेंडेंट. मैंने एक चीज आप लोगों को इसमें नहीं सिखाया, फाइनल अकाउंट में कैसे इसकी एंट्री देते हैं, वो अभी जरूरत भी नहीं है. जब फाइनल अकाउंट आएगा तो आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा. अननेसेसरी मैं यहाँ पे अभी उसको एक अलग टॉपिक में क्रिएट करना चाहता नहीं हूँ. ओके, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. सीख तो आप लोग हैं, वो मैं सिखाऊंगा ही आप लोगों को, लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी मुझे बताने में कोई मजा नहीं आ रहा है. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. रीजन इज दैट फिर आपका दिमाग दो जगह पे डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा कि इसको क्या करना है क्या. तो जब फाइनल अकाउंट आएगा तब देखेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? तो अभी यहाँ पे उसको करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो मेरे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है मुझे आप लोगों को कैसे सिखाना है. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है, तो दिस मच इज इनफ. इतना जो है अपने लिए काफी है. अब अगला एक और सम लेंगे हम लोग, जिसमें हम लोग रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड से ब्रॉड सम को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? एंड हियर इट इज ओवर. बाय, सी यू ऑल ऑफ यू.